Does your pond have cloudy, murky water? Improve your pond's water clarity quickly with Aquascape Rapid Clear Flocculent. To keep ponds and other water features looking clean, clear, and beautiful, it is important to remove unsightly floating debris from the water. Aquascape Rapid Clear makes it quick and easy to remove floating particulates and clear cloudy pond water, allowing you to spend more time enjoying your water feature. Rapid Clear Flocculent causes suspended particles to clump together and works within 24 hours, providing noticeably clearer water. For best results, use in combination with the Aquascape Rapid Clear Fine Filter Pad to quickly catch particulates and debris for removal from the pond. When dosing Rapid Clear, add it to an area with good circulation, such as in front of the waterfall. This will ensure that the treatment is evenly distributed throughout the pond. Simply use the convenient pump top to accurately add the perfect amount of treatment for your pond or water feature. Aquascape Rapid Clear is safe for fish, plants, pets, and wildlife. Aquascape uses the newest scientifically proven water treatments and industry-leading ingredients to optimize the entire pond ecosystem.
At Aquascape, your paradise is our passion. We've been creating and field testing water features for over 25 years in order to provide you with the most reliable products and best value in the water feature industry.